My turn signals, nalaglag, sira. Nawala oh, this one oh. So I just want to do a little ride report after our ride from Baler. It was a very wet ride, but I had no big issues with the motorcycle. As in, trouble-free. My 2014 Ducati Hyperstrada, so this is my 11-year-old na bike. No issues at all. Putik lang talaga ang naging issue namin. Fluids, no leaks, nothing. Brakes were good. And what really surprised me the most was how well this Bridgestone's Battlax A41 performed. There was areas, if you notice naman on the past videos on how wet the ride was, hindi namin maiwasan there's going to be like puddles on the road. And the problem with those puddles, some of them look invisible. Hindi yung tipong malayo pa nakikita mo na. Those were invisible. So pagdaan mo, you're traveling at a moderate speed. Tapos biglang mapapadaan ka doon sa puddle. Kasi magugulat ka na lang because magkakaroon ng parang parting of the waves, di ba? Parting of the Red Sea. Parang yung tubig talaga magugulat ka. And what surprised me the most is pag nakakotse, usually pwede ka mag-hydroplane doon eh. My grip stayed constant with this Bridgestone. Kaya these are really the perfect tires for this. They look like sport tires, but they're not sport tires. They're actually adventure tires na road bias lang. Kaya if you notice, hindi ganun ka-aggressive yung mga grooves niya. As you can notice, the grooves are not as aggressive, but still more aggressive than your traditional road and sport tires. Kaya perfect to for wet riding conditions. My only issue that I encountered, actually pauwi na kami, nasa NLEX na kami pauwi. When I was trying to operate my signals, my turn signals, nalaglag, sira. Nawala oh, this one oh. Good thing this is still working. This is still working. But the problem with this is I need the button that I have to press here because that's the one that controls a lot of the system. So this is what I need to change modes. Diba? From sport, from touring. That's what I need. And this is also what you need to cancel the signals. Yung left and right signal, if you want to cancel them, you have to press the button. Pero kasi compared to like the Vespa, if you leave your signals on, it will be left on forever. This one, at a certain time, the signal will also turn off. It will cut off by itself kung medyo matagal mo na iwanan bukas. So medyo hindi ganong kalaking issue. Yun lang nakakailang kasi it will take a time, nagsisignal ka pa rin kahit na naka-overtake ka na once you have turned already. Now, the solution was, I thought you can just order the small switch here from Ducati. Unfortunately, you have to buy this whole thing, which is around 10,000 pesos just to get that switch. So you have to buy this whole left controller. But it seems like it's not a rare occurrence. When I searched the internet, marami pala may ganong issues. In fact, if you're going to check out eBay, a lot of people are selling second-hand left controllers. Lahat sila wala nung switch. Now, buti may mabait na taga Ducati user who created a 3D file so you can print your own switch. Kung hindi, you have to buy this whole thing. But in searching, you can also order from China. Someone has already 3D printed it, but it's not cheap. It's $40 plus shipping. So it will come out to mga 3,000 pesos. So buti na lang nga, yung sinasabi ko, someone posted and made available to everyone a 3D printing file so you can create your own switch. So I searched Facebook for someone who can make 3D printing. And it comes in two pieces. So you have the button that you actually put here, diba? And then the turn signal switch that you put here. Yan, parang ganyan siya, diba? This first one I ordered, which is 90 pesos for the set. I ordered 2 sets. Ini-install ko pa lang, nasira na. So if you see here, there's a tab. Kita mo yung maliit na tab. The problem with the one that I had made, ini-install ko pa lang, nabali na yung tab. Kaya tingnan nyo to, wala nang mga tab. And then, yung isang white na ganito, yung itong part niya nabali na rin. It's very brittle. So I had another set made. We have a friend who actually makes also. So nagpagawa ako ng isa pa. So hopefully ito okay na kasi it looks like this is better made. The plastic is less brittle. So let's try it out. So I wanna see first. So you put on the white first, diba? Okay, the button works perfectly. And now let's put on the turn signal switch. So this one goes here. And hopefully, okay, so you have to put this here. There you go. Oh, there, nice. Does it work? So left, right, holds firmly. Okay, let's see if the button works. So it's now turning, so I have to press to cancel. Yes, it works. And then when I press, it changes the modes. And so it's now it works. Ay. Buti na lang for 3D printing because this would have been something very expensive at 10,000 pesos just to buy this whole left-hand switch. Good thing someone was really generous enough to share the 3D printing file, so I was able to have it made and save me a lot of money. Thank you. Now ay pwede na ulit. So hindi na mahalata na hindi siya matches. So okay lang. And now I know if something was to happen to this again, I already have the file. So that's it.